Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So let's talk about BONK here and what's going on with the BONK. And in yesterday's video, I've talked about the details of what BONK was probably doing, and let's see what's going on. So back into the daily, and yeah, we're pretty good. We are still pretty much doing some things that are meant to be done. And right now, let's see what's going on right here. It does look like there's this support trend line that is there for BONK at the moment, and you probably are trying to make one little bit of a pennant right here. So let's talk about this pennant, and that's the only thing I want to talk about. So we may see because you're pushing up like this, you're coming down, you're pushing up, you're coming down, you're pushing up. So we are on the verge of a breakout, and this is going to be until 14th of December, so 2 more days. So it could actually be today, it could be tomorrow, or it shouldn't take any more than Thursday. So in here we may see a rejection and come down to 11,8967, and then perhaps finally just tomorrow break above it and try to push up. Now one thing by default is if you do end up breaking here, we may get a 14%. Now there's one thing I want to tell you, that there are two trend line perhaps. Number one is this body trend line. If you look at the body, we're touching on the 4-hour time frame. The second trend line is the wicks one. So we may actually see even you can actually entertain the idea of a wick. So you can actually come down just like this, and you might think of buying right here, wick down to this trend line again, and then come back up very quickly, and then continue to push to the upside. So that's one thing you may want to look at this point of time. So it is what it is, and I think if you do break above it, at least you're getting in 14,000. And if someone is probably thinking of, oh, let me buy, let's see for an entry, now you may actually put some buying bids down at 11,000. This is not 11,000, this is 119,195, right? So if you do end up getting in an entry down at this lower support and it eventually breaks above, you're looking for a 23.2%, right? Sometimes I like to do things like this, just wait for the prices to come down and look at how the market is bullish and the trend, because the trend right now is an uptrend, isn't it? And the uptrend is not straight, so you go up and down, and when it comes down, you just buy down there and expect it to move to the upside. So if the same expectation comes that you're coming down and expecting it to go to the upside due to the uptrend, just wait for it to come down and get some little bit of a buying bid here, expecting it's going to break up. Finger crossed, breaks it up, you take 23%. That's amazing. So that's it for this very quick update on BONK. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.